Need to send money to someone fast with NatWest? We've got you covered. First, let's cover transferring funds online. Head to the NatWest website and log into your online banking account using your customer number, PIN, and password. Make sure you're on the official NatWest website to avoid scams. Once you're logged in, look for the Payments or Transfer section, usually found on the main dashboard or in the navigation menu, then click it. You'll likely need to add the person you want to pay as a new payee, so click on Pay Someone New or Add Payee. You'll need their full name, sort code, and account number. Double-check these details are correct. After entering the payee details, enter the amount you want to transfer and a reference. The reference is optional, but it can help the recipient identify the payment next. You will be prompted to confirm the transfer with your security details, like a card reader code or mobile app approval. Prefer using your mobile? The NatWest app makes transferring money just as easy. Log in securely using your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Tap the payments icon, which usually looks like a card or money symbol. You'll see a list of your existing payees, and there will be an option to add new payee if you haven't paid them before. Enter the amount, reference, and then confirm the payment using your security method, and that's it. The funds will be transferred to the recipient's account typically within a few hours, but sometimes it can take longer depending on the time of day and day of the week. Always double-check the details before confirming a payment.